My thesis project is reimagining Lutyens Delhi. If we break the whole thesis project, it can be divided into 4 parts. First, research design, second, urban design, third, case studies, and the fourth one is architectural design. Research is to find parameters for defining architectural character of cities. From urban design, it means master planning of Lutyens Delhi. Case studies helps in design considerations. And the final outcome will be a design of a secretariat building. I know the project I choose for my thesis is never going to be built, but it can help to establish an example in our future collectives for the students and maybe for the architects also. As we all knows that cities are losing its architectural character that increases the gap between architectural heritage and smart technology. Main reasons for this is rapid urbanization. As an architect, one should understand the difference between role and their responsibilities, which is connecting architectural heritage and bonding architecture with cities. Now, besides rapid urbanization, sometimes political agendas also become the reason which contributes to the loss of architectural character of a city, as in this current scenario of Delhi's Central Vista project.
Critics said this was a Bharatiya Janata Party pet project to put their stamp on the capital of India.
जो सेंट्रल विस्टा प्रोजेक्ट है ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, ये हमारी सरकार का प्रोजेक्ट है और ख़ास करके ये हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का एक मैं कहूँगा पुराना सपना है। डिज़ाइन कंपटीशन रखी थी, देयर वर 27 एप्लीकेंट्स, दिस वाज अ ग्लोबल टेंडर और भारतीय आर्किटेक्ट्स, अर्बन प्लानर्स, डिज़ाइन कंपनीज ने भाग लिया।
The government claims space crunch is the only reason for these new constructions.
हम सरकार की तरफ से हर वर्ष 1000 करोड़ रुपया खर्च कर रहे हैं to get accommodation space for government offices.
Now, what should be the way for designing at this place? First thing we need to understand is that change is reality and we can't just keep on repeating the history every time. Taking inspiration from the past and respond to the present for future should be the aim. Second thing is implementing the parameters for shaping architectural character of a city. Third one is to understand what is at stake. Here, the whole scheme of Lutyens Delhi is at stake. Urban morphology of Central Vista like hexagonal roads and formation of equilateral triangle between the domes.
Now, all this is very exciting for me as an architect because there's just so much to grapple with conceptually in an abstract way. But that's not why really the space is important. The reason why I think fundamentally the space is important for us is without laying a brick on this colonial space, over the past years of independence that we've had, slowly but surely, the people of this country have physically reclaimed this space. And I would like to share some images over time of that to reiterate how important this is as a national space. Look at how people have occupied these spaces. This is the morning of independence. This is how we reclaimed an erstwhile colonial space with our physical presence, not by changing the building.
So our final aim should be to add only required amount of buildings, which acts as a bridge between a building for the government and a space for the public, which also helps in conserving, evolving and transforming our past in a new way. This is an image of present Central Vista. Buildings currently present there, hutments which needs to be removed, proposed road network in an hierarchical manner with a huge landscaping elements. These are the residential government buildings. Important buildings like PMO and extension building of Parliament House, shifting IGNCA to a new location, adding a center of performing arts by following the Lutyens master plan of Delhi. Finally, all the secretariat buildings that was the main objective for our government. Parking area allotted for the public in Central Vista. This is the final proposed scheme of Central Vista. But this is an architectural thesis. So as per the discussion earlier, my final outcome would be a secretariat building whose site is marked in the master plan. Now upcoming slides are for the design strategies and the form evolution of our building. First, building should be oriented according to the sun direction. Courtyard planning as a part of Lutyens Delhi. Invite public as our initial concept for the design. This is the basic form. We need to add and subtract things. Pushing the 4 sides below for reinterpreting the materials on the walls. Separating each block. Introducing the cafe in the mid floor of the building. Rotating the blocks for making an open good space. Connecting the blocks which would act as a platform for the public. Reinterpreting the symmetry by mirrored the layout in adjacent plot. Making a central courtyard access for the 2 buildings. This is our final site plan for the 2 adjacent buildings that create enough open spaces for the public and an efficient space for the government employees. Site plan shows how all the blocks are divided and connected, how the 2 buildings shared common space for the public. Next is ground floor plan showing all the entries, lower plaza for the government employees, entries for parking, exits from parking, finally our 4 blocks. This is how it looks like. This is the concept for designing an individual block for the employees, having some green areas and so many interaction spaces with a proper working environment. This is how the form of one block evolved by placing mezzanine floors in between each floors, except on the 2nd and terrace floor for making terrace gardens. This is how it looks like. These are final sections showing all the functions and the separate plaza for public and the employees. These are the design outcome shows how it creates an identity and reflects responsive architecture in terms of parameters discussed earlier, in form of material, visual and technology science system. This is the final illustration shows the public realm and how the building can solve the security issues and make it more safe for the government employees. This is our final outcome after all the designing and modeling part. This view is from Central Vista region which connects to the India Gate.
What has happened is that architects have lost their agency. They are prepared to do anything for people in power. Only voice today which is legitimate is that of the citizen.
It is a space where families converge and end up owning that. It is a place where people go for their nightly ice cream.
The question is, how is this done? Is it done by wiping out the previous identity and imposing a new one? Or do you add on to it, do you amend it, do you...
I wouldn't call it per se a new identity. It will be identity of a new India, not a new identity of India.
It's a space that is yours, the people's.